Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video I'll show you how to create an entrepreneur portfolio website with WordPress. This video will be step-by-step video guide. If you're totally new to website design, don't worry, you do not need to know a single line of code to create this beautiful entrepreneur portfolio website. In this website, when the customer land on your website, they can learn about your business, your work, and the services that you provide. If they want to contact you, they can fill the contact form. And most importantly, we'll create this beautiful entrepreneur portfolio website with a free theme. And this is not a just ordinary free theme, guys. This is a powerful and smart theme. When someone land on your website, this website design automatically resizes according to the device is being used to visit your site. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a freelancer and want to learn how to create a website, just follow the first step and let's start building this free entrepreneur website with WordPress. Alright, to create any website, whether it's travel booking website or e-commerce website or blog or any sort of website, there are two required things, which is domain name and web hosting. If you're totally beginner to web development and don't know anything about domain name and web hosting, well, domain name is simply going to be your website name, and web hosting is a place where all your website files will be stored. It's just like a computer where you store your files like media, photo, images, all the stuff you store in there. In the same way, you store all your website file in that web hosting. So there are many web hosting companies out there over the internet, but handful of them are the best. So in the video description, I'll provide you a list of the best web hosting companies. You can go ahead and pick one of them. But in this video, we are going to get a web hosting and domain name from GoDaddy. To get your web hosting and domain name, come over here and type this URL, runners_vfx/gd, which stands for GoDaddy, and press enter, and it will take you to this web page. And this is a GoDaddy website, and here you will see different types of plans: starter, economy, deluxe, and ultimate. However, if you go with the starter plan, neither you get domain name nor you get a SSL certificate. And if you're wondering what is SSL certificate, well, SSL certificate stands for the secure socket layer, which secure the connection between your website and the user. If your website has SSL certificate, then the visitor of your website will gain the trust on your website. If you go with the economy plan, you can see you will get the 100 GB storage and professional email. If you go with the deluxe plan, you can see you will get the unlimited storage, unlimited website, and the unlimited subdomains. However, if you want to expand the more functionality of your hosting, you can go with the ultimate plan. But if you are just getting started, you can go with the economy plan. Let's go ahead, click on add to cart. In the next page, you will see this message. If you buy the economy plan, good news, you got a free domain name with this order. Let's type your domain name really quick over here. Once you type your domain, click on submit. There you go, you can see your domain is available and the cost is 0 rupees. Click on select and continue. So this is the cart page, and here you can see we have the billing cycle 36 months, or you can go to this drop down menu and choose how many months you want this web hosting to run. Let's go with 12 months, which is completely fine for me. And next you can see we are getting the professional email plan as well for 1 year, and these are the recommended services that GoDaddy provide you. If you want to buy the web security, you can click on the get it now. It will be add to your cart, but I'm gonna skip it. Scroll down and you can see you are getting a free domain name for 1 year as well, which is great. So rest of things are completely fine over here. Let's click on I'm ready to pay. If you want a more discount, you can check out the description box of this video, and you may find a promo code down below the video description. Once you get your promo code, all you have to do, just delete the promo code and add the new one, and you will get more discount out of your web hosting. Once you finish with your cart page, click on I'm ready to pay. So before we proceed to the checkout page, if you're new to GoDaddy, you can create your account. You can use Facebook, Google, or email to sign up. If you already have an account with GoDaddy, you can click on sign in. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. Alright, once you sign up on GoDaddy using your Google account or any social media, then you will land on the checkout page. Here you have to fill in the billing information. Let's scroll down a little bit and fill this form. So I'm going to quickly fill this form. Once you do it, click on save. Alright, now you have to choose the payment method. I'm from India, I'll go with UPI. If you live in other country, you can select your preferred payment method. So I'm gonna fill in my virtual payment address and click on review order. Once you do it, click on complete purchase and you have to pay this amount. Okay, once you complete your payment, you will see this button right here. Go to My Account, click on it and proceed further. If you do not know where is My Account tab, you can simply go to your profile, this drop down button, and then you can click on My Product. Let's scroll down. Now click on Manage All alongside web hosting. Now click on this drop down button and click on Setup. So now you have to select your domain. I'm going to select this domain that we just bought with this plan. So here you have to select your data center. I'm going to select Asia. Now click on Yes, let's do it. Type your WordPress username and create your password, and type your password once again and then click on Next. So here you can create a branded email ID which look more professional, and then click on Finish. So this process can take few minutes. Updating domain, applying things, onboarding completed successfully. Now click on Go to the dashboard. So I'm going to click on No, I don't want to participate, and then click on Confirm. So guys, we have successfully installed a WordPress. To access your WordPress dashboard, simply click on Admin, scroll down and click on Use Default WordPress, and then click on Yes, I'm sure, and then click on No thanks, I just want to exit. Okay, let's come to the dashboard of your WordPress, and if you notice that I've changed my domain name for some reason, but it doesn't really matter. You can stick with your own domain, process will be the same. And this is the WordPress backend, and if you have your mouse over here, visit site in a new tab, and this will be the front end. The visitor of your website will see only the front end. They will not have the access of the backend of your WordPress website. Only admin of the website can have access of the backend. If you look at the left side, these are the features that comes with the default WordPress script. You can add as much features into your WordPress website as you want. Right now we are inside the WordPress 6.1.1. In this feature you will see the block editor and few other features. But in this video we are not going to cover the WordPress default features. We will look at how to create the entrepreneur website so that you can display the services that you provide to your customer. Okay, anyways, let's move to the next step. In this step we are going to look at the WordPress essential settings. To change your WordPress settings, first of all, hover your mouse over settings and then click on general. And here you will see several settings that you can change. First of all, in the general settings we have the site title, tagline. You can type your site title over here, which is already there. Type your tagline, and WordPress address and site address should be the same, guys. Right now, as I mentioned earlier, this is a local website. In your case, this will be your domain. Whatever domain you have, just type in over here. And here, make sure you type your real administrator email, which is very important. This is a local website, so that's why you're seeing this local administrator email. Next, we have the membership. You can check this box. Anyone can register on this website. When someone registers on your website, it will be subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. What should it be? Subscriber, site language English, time zone. Select your time zone. I am from India. I'm going to select my time zone. Plus 5:30, where it is. Next we have the date format and time format. You can change it from here if you want. And week start on. In my state, it starts from Monday. So I'll go with Monday. Everything is good for me. Click on Save Changes when you make any changes. Let's go to Writings tab. Here you can see we have the default post category. If you have multiple pages for your blog post, you can select your default post category from here. Right now this is a empty website. There is nothing here, so you cannot change anything right now. However, you can change your post category later on when you create your website. Come back to this page and select your post category from here. Next we have the default post format standard, or you can choose it from here, this drop down menu. And post email, you don't have to change anything over here. When you make any changes into this page, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Let's go to Readings tab. Here you can see we have the homepage display, your latest post, or static page. If you have multiple pages, you can select static page and go to this drop down menu and choose your homepage, whatever you like to display in the front end of your website. Right now I'll stick with your latest post. Next, blog pages show at most. You can increase or decrease the number from here as well as from this section as well. The rest of the things are good here. Click on Save Changes if you make any changes. Let's look at the discussion tab. In this tab, make sure you check this box. User must be registered and logged in into comment. And rest of things are good here. Scroll down at the very bottom and click on Save Changes. Now look at the Media tab. In this tab, you don't have to change anything. If you want to change your thumbnail size like width or height, you can change it from here. Let's look at the permalinks. This is very important settings, guys. By default, it will be selected plan, which is not idle for any sort of website. Here, make sure you select the post name. When you select the post name, your website become SEO friendly. So remember these settings and you don't have to change anything else over here. If you make any changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Now go to privacy. Here you have to select your privacy policy page. If you don't have a privacy policy page, you can create a new one by going to pages and click on add new. And in that section, let me show you. If you open link in a new tab, you will see we have the title. Type the title, which would be a privacy policy. And in the description, type your entire privacy policy description. Once you do it, click on publish and your page will be published, and then close the tab, come back to this page and select your own privacy policy from this drop down menu and then click on use this page. The page that you are seeing right now, this is a dummy page. You can go to your pages, all pages, and from here you will see the dummy privacy policy. You should delete that page and create your own by clicking on add new button, and then come back to this page like I mentioned earlier and select your original privacy policy page for your website. So we're done with the essential settings of WordPress. Let's move to the next step, but before that, let's click on the dashboard. In this tab, we are going to look at how to design your WordPress website. If you hover your mouse over here, if you visit your site in a new tab, you can see this is a boring design. Let's make it interesting and exactly like that you've seen in the beginning of this video. Let's close this tab and now start designing your website. First of all, hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. And here you can see we have 3 themes installed already. First of all, you have to delete them. Select, click delete, OK. And then select, click delete and click on OK. And you cannot delete this one because this is already activated theme. Once you install a new theme, then you can delete this one. To install a new theme, click on add new. So here, there are 2 ways to install a theme. You can either upload a theme file by clicking on upload theme button, or you can come over here and search your theme. In this case, type responsive and you will see the responsive theme. So this is a theme that we are going to install in this video, and this is the powerful theme, guys. When someone visits on your website, whether they are using the mobile phone or laptop or computer or whatever device they are using, your website design automatically resizes itself according to the device. So that's why I like this theme. So I'm going to install it by clicking on the install button and then click on activate. So theme has been activated successfully. Now we need to install a special plugin that comes with this theme, and that plugin will add the extra functionality to this theme. To install that plugin, either you can go to the plugin section and click on add new, and from there you can search that plugin. But in the simplest way to install that plugin is by clicking on this button, install and activate. Click on it and it will install that plugin for you. Alright guys, so once you install and activate this plugin, it will automatically take you to this page. Here you can click on the skip tool. Make sure you select the Elementor from this drop down menu and then come to this drop down menu and select free, and you will see several themes that you can install inside your website for free. If you're looking for premium theme, you can go to this drop down menu and click on premium, and you will see all the pro themes for your website. But in this video, we're going to create a entrepreneur website, so we use free theme. And we're going to use this theme, Entrepreneur Portfolio. Click on the theme, wait for a few seconds. It will load the theme, and here you can see the dummy site. If you scroll down, you can see the entire site. To install this theme, simply click on import site button and it will install the required plugins. It will delete the previous import if there is any, and it will import the content and it will import the customizer settings. Let's click on import site button. It will install the required plugins like Elementor Page Builder, WP Forms Lite version, which is free plugin, and it will delete the previous import if there any. It will import the content. It will import the customizer settings as well. So this process may take some time, like 1 or 2 minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection and the speed of your hosting. So I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we are back here. Now you will see this button right here, launch site, and you will see this close button. If you click on the launch site, it will show you the website that you have imported. Now you will see your domain and your website that you just imported. It will exactly look like a dummy website that you have seen in the beginning of this video. Let's close this out and let's close this section as well. Okay, let's go to the dashboard and let's proceed with the next step. So in this step, we are going to look at how to customize your WordPress website. First of all, hover your mouse over here. Let's visit your site. And this is your website homepage or front end of your website. And before we start customize this website, I want to let you know that this homepage is designed with the Elementor page builder. This is a free plugin that we are using. Elementor comes with a pro plugin as well. But in this video, we are going to use only free version of this plugin. And this plugin is capable of designing different types of unique design just by using their free elements. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Let's click on the Edit with Elementor. It will load the Elementor page builder. If you see this type of message right here, Recreate Kit, click on it. It will open a new tab. And here you will see we have this button right here, Recreate Kit. Click on it. Once you see this green tick mark, that means we are good here. Click on Save Changes and let's come back to this page, refresh it, and you will see the Elementor page builder. Now you can close this tab and now start customize your website. But before that, let's look at the left section. In this section, you will see several options that you can use, but some of them are free and some of them comes with the pro version of this plugin. As you can see, this is the pro section. You cannot use these pro features, but you can use like inner section, heading, images, text editor, video, buttons, and so on and so forth. And there are many items that you can use with the free version of this plugin, which is more than enough. You can see the example right here. This design is created by the free version of the plugin. When you hover your mouse over any section, you will see the pencil icon over here. When you click on that pencil icon, it will take you to the editing section from the left hand side. And of course, right side, we have this window right here, which you can drag and drop anywhere you like. In this navigator window, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sections has been added to create this beautiful homepage of this entrepreneur portfolio website. All you have to do, you can hide the section or you can show the section. It's all up to you guys. If you click over here, you can see inside the section, this is the whole section guys. Inside the section, you can see we have the column, we have heading 1, text editor, and we have the button, which is right here. And when you select the entire section, you will see the settings of the entire section in the left hand side. And you will see 3 types of tab: layout, style, and advanced. In the layout, you will see different types of options related to the layout. If you go to the style, you can customize the style of your layout, like background image, background color, position, attachment, and so on and so forth. In some design, you don't need to use each and every features. You basically leave them as a default. Features are already there. If there is a need, then you can use, otherwise you leave them as it is, right? If you want to change the background image, all you have to do, just go to the section, go to the style from the left hand side. You can see we have the image section right here. Click on choose image. You can upload your own image or you can select from your media library if you want. Let's go for maybe this image. Let's try to upload your own image. Go to upload file and click on select file. Let's upload this image. Click open and click on insert media. There you go. So as you can see, we just upload the image. If you want to change the text, simply highlight the text and start writing your own. In the same way, you can delete this text as well. Highlight the text. You can start typing your own, or you can come to this section, or you can start typing your own text just like it. I'm going to click on undo. If you want to change your button style, select the button and come over here. In the content tab, you will see the button type. You can change it from here. Default. You can change the button text. You can type your button link over here. Alignment, where you like to place it, left, right, center, wherever you like it. Next, we have the size, large, small, medium, extra large. It's all up to you. Icon spacing, you can add it if you want. So that's pretty much it. So next, if you scroll down, you can see we have another section over here. If you want to change these icons, just click on that section. The 5 images selected. Now click on this pencil icon from the left hand side. You will see all icons over here. If you want to remove them, click on this cross button to remove them, or you can add your own. just by clicking on add to gallery and upload your file or your icons, and then click on add to gallery. Your icon will be added over here. Let me show you how. Let's click on select file. Let's upload this icon. Click open. Click on add to gallery. There you go. Let's delete this one. Let's click on insert gallery. And now you will see the icon over here. There you go. The size of the icon is too large. One thing you can do, you can come to your media library, and here you will see the icons, and you can see the size of the icon 151 by 35 pixel. So make sure you create your icon size exactly like this one and then upload your icon. So I'm going to delete this one and then click on insert gallery, and there you go. So once you make any changes to your website, always remember to click on update. It will keep your changes saved. So similar way guys, you can change the image. Select the image, replace this image with your own. You can change the title, you can change the heading, you can change the text, you can even change these icons as well. As you can see, right now we have LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube. You can add more by clicking on add item button, and from here click on icon library, search your icon. Let's search Instagram. Click on insert, type your Instagram username. You can even add more icons if you want, or you can add icon over here. Okay, so this is how you can add icons. Scroll down, we have the another section right here, and in here you can replace this image with your own image. You can add a link to this image by going to the link section, and here you can select media file, or you can click on the custom URL and type the URL of your post that you already have on your website. When someone click on this image, that person will be redirected to that post. Okay, so this is how you can customize this section. So in the same way, you can customize literally any section of your website that has been designed with Elementor Page Builder. I only want to show you how this Elementor plugin works. Rest of the things all up to you, because it depends on your entrepreneur business, what type of business you're running. Create the design according to your business, play around with it, and you will get familiar with this plugin in no time. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on update. And now let me show you how you can change the footer area and the header section of this website, like menu and the logo. Let's close the Elementor Page Builder, click on the burger menu icon, and then click on exit and click on decide later. Let's go to the dashboard, and now visit your site once again, and here click on customize button. Okay, so now let me show you how you can customize your header section. To do it, click on this pencil icon. When you hover your mouse over any section, you will see the pencil. Click on that. It will take you to the logo section. If you want to replace this logo with your own logo, all you have to do, just click on remove logo and upload your logo. You can upload by clicking on upload file. You can upload your logo from here, or you can go to the media library. Let's select the logo, click OK, click select, and then click on skip cropping. And you can see the logo over here. Let me change the logo because this is too big. Let's select the same logo, click OK, then click on crop image. Now you can see the logo just like this one. If you're not happy with your logo, then you can remove it and then create the logo just like you see over here. As you can see, this logo size is 171 by 70 pixel. Your logo size should be the same as you can see over here, and then come to this section and upload your logo. And below you can see the site title, which is responsive. You can type whatever you like, and the tagline best WP website. You can change it from here as well, or you can go to the settings and journal, and from there you can change your site tagline as well. Both are the same thing. And below, if you want to hide your site title, you can do it. If you want to show them, click on uncheck. You can see your site title will be up here. Let's hide it because we want to show the logo, so that's why these two things are hide. And here you can see the logo URL, and next we have the site icon. If you want to change the site icon just like this one, you can simply click on select site icon and upload your site icon by clicking on upload file button, or you can go to the media library. Let's select the same icon, click on crop image, and you can see the site icon over here. Once you make any changes, click on publish. Now let's look at how to customize this menu. To do it, let's come back here, go to menu, menus, and you can see we have only one menu. Click over here, and inside this menu we have home, about, investor, blog, and contact. If you want to add more items into this menu, all you have to do, just click on the add items button. You can add any type of item that you like. You can add blog, which is already here. You can add html5, you can add maybe post, hello world, grid. As you can see, if you click over here, you can see the live preview. If you want to create a drop down menu, which is very easy to create, all you have to do, just drag any item under the item where you like to create the drop down menu, just like it, and your drop down menu will be created. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to click on publish. And there are two locations where you can add this menu. You can add this menu into header, or you can add this menu into footer, or you can create a separate menu for footer if you want. Let's go back here and let's close this out and let's check it. What have we done? Refresh the page. We do not see the drop down menu. Why is that? Let's go to customize, go to site identity. Let's add a logo. Let's choose this logo and click select. Click on skip cropping. Click on publish. We got that logo back. Let's come back over here. Let's go to menus, menu 1. I think we have to check this button right here, header menu. And now you can see we got the menu. Click on publish. So remember to check this option if you want to appear this menu on your header section. Now if you close it out, and now let me show you the drop down menu. So this is the drop down menu that we have created. Okay, let's go to customization section once again. Now let's look at how to edit the footer section of this website. You can see the pencil icon over here. Click over here and it will take you to the copyright HTML section. Here you can change your copyright text. You can hide the copyright icon and year if you want. And there are a few other settings that you can change. Just read the line and add anything that you like, or you can remove anything that you like. If you like to change these pages or the social media icons, you can do that as well. Let's go back here. All you have to do, just go to widgets. We have the colophone widgets. Got it. There's nothing here. Let's come back. Where's the header widget? We don't have the header widget. Come back. Let's go to the footer. Inside the footer, we have the layout, which we already seen. There's the color and background. You can change the color of your background. From here, publish. Come back. Typography. You can change the font of your website, font width, style, and the transformation and font size. Let's come back. Script. Not have to do anything over here. Scroll to the top. Enable scroll to the top button. If you enable this, you will see the button right here. This one, by clicking on it, it will take your visitor to the top section without scrolling up. Okay, this is very important. Click publish. You can customize this button if you want. Like you can change the color, you can change the hover color, so on and so forth. Let's go back here. And there are a few other things that you can change, like sidebar, layout. Just play around with the customization section and finish designing your website. And let's look at this section where to edit this. I'm not able to find it. Let's close this out. Let's go to Elementor page builder and let's see where is that section came from. Let's scroll down. Do you see this section? Okay, so this section is designed with the Elementor page builder as well. So I thought this is a footer area, but it is not a footer area. It's designed with Elementor. You can always come to this section and click on the pencil icon and start editing the section that you like. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on update. Let's close this out. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard once again. So guys, if you see this type of message right here, connection is not secure, that means your website does not have SSL certificate. If you have hosting package that comes with the free SSL certificate, then you won't see this type of message. You will see your connection is secured. Once you install SSL certificate, the connection between your website and the user will be secure, and your user will trust your website even more. So that's why this is very important to have SSL certificate installed on your website. If your hosting package does not include SSL certificate and still want to install SSL certificate for free, you can check out my other video, because I've already created a separate video for you guys, which you can watch by going to the description box of this video and learn how to install a free SSL certificate. And that's pretty much it guys. If you have any question regarding this video or any topic, feel free to drop your comment in the comment section below, and I definitely answer your questions as quickly as possible. That being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you next time.